terms of the performance, I would say that apart from
Oh,
Palace
yeah.
having a good spell in the first 20 and maybe the last 10-ish, I didn't think we was under too much threat. I thought it was a controlled performance. Like you said, I don't think it was exhilarating. There wasn't like any like, put it this way, I don't think it's going to be first on match of the day. But then having said that, I thought we was always in control. Or pretty much so anyway.
Yeah, well, I think we didn't really. The only chances that we, from my opinion, from what I saw, that we really conceded were from our own mistakes. Really, I mean, we saw the ball given, especially in the first half, a lot of really sloppy passes that resulted in Palace chances. But as I said, no shots on target. So if you're not conceding any shots on target, you're never really in too much of a threat to concede a goal. So defensively, if we're not conceding a goal, then we've always got a great chance of winning the game. And as I said, I don't think we played very well today, but if you're not conceding, you're always in with a shot winning the game. And again, 3 points is the main thing. So.